All right, this is a complete breakdown of how you can start trading in 2024. So first off, I want you to download TradingView and then create a demo account on TradingView. TradingView is going to allow you to do all of your charting, and then a demo account is essentially a fake money or a paper money account. Once you've done that, I then want you to go to the Baby Pips website and complete the full Baby Pips course. This is going to give you a full introduction of how to trade and how to trade the Forex market and everything related to how it works. So this step here is super important if you want to start trading. Now, once you've completed the Baby Pips course, I then want you to either choose ICT or support and resistance. The reason I've picked these two is because I trade them both and I understand they both work. There are a few other options, so if you would like to go another route, that is completely up to you. Now, it doesn't matter which one of these you pick, they both work just as well. I trade them both. It is completely personal preference on who you want to go with and what you like the look of more. Once you've picked one of these, I then want you to look at creating a strategy using the concepts that come from either of these. So to create a strategy, you just take the concepts or a concept from either of these and then put some rules around it so you can easily replicate it in the market. What I recommend is to keep it as simple as possible and to have very easily defined rules. This is fantastic for when learning to trade, as you can stick to these rules and stay very consistent. Make sure when you're creating the strategy, you factor in your risk to reward. So this means how much money you risk to how much you gain. So you might risk $100 to gain $200 or to gain $300. So that would be a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Now, to actually check that this strategy is profitable, what you're going to do is backtest. So you are going to be able to backtest by using the TradingView account that we first created. Backtesting essentially means going over old and previous data to prove that either your strategy does or does not work. I want you to go through at least 3 months of data, as this will give you a good idea of if it does or does not work. Make sure when you're backtesting, you are slightly changing some things in here if you see something works much better one way or another way, and you are changing what your IR is. So test out if a 1 to 1, 1 to 2, or 1 to 3 works better. All right, once you have backtested and you have a profitable strategy over at least 3 months, I then want you to move on to live trading. So make sure you start with a demo account, but you are now going to live trade or forward test your strategy that you created in the live markets. Make sure you only risk 1% of your account balance. So that means if your demo account has $1,000 in it, you will only risk 1% of that, which is $10 per trade. Now, once you have been profitable for at least a month and you feel confident, move on to a live account with real money. Super important, you keep this live account to a very small balance that you are completely fine with losing. And there you have it. If you follow all these steps, this will help you massively in how to start trading in 2024. Now, if you've made it this far, feel free to join my completely free Discord where I post all of the trades I take and am able to offer even more help and advice. The link is in my bio.